Hi there, my name is Shire Songa, and I'm finally gathering the courage to make what I can call my first video on YouTube. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. I started wanting to do this in 2023. That's when I said, okay, this year I will have a plan to make at least 12 videos, but in that year I didn't make any video. I might have made like one or two, but I did not do what I wanted. In 2024, then I said, this new year is going to be my best year. I'm going to make like 50 videos, but in the whole year, I made like 2 or 3 videos, which are not related to what I wanted to make videos about. And this year, 2025, I'm taking a bold move. It's something that is going to be a new experience to me, making videos at least every week, making one video every week, starting with this one that you're watching now. So I started this channel back in 2017, and that time I didn't have any plan on what to do with the channel. I just wanted to start a YouTube channel to learn how people create YouTube channels. It was my first time going on the internet. And then in 2019, I started uploading videos, and you can find them on this channel. They are lyrics videos of our old school songs. And then I started uploading videos. People started watching, and that's where I got so many subscribers. Now I have about 6K subscribers. Most of them came from those lyrics videos. And in 2020, that's when we had COVID, and before COVID, I started making videos about Rwanda or native language, and people started watching them. Okay, it was surprising to me. I didn't know there was people who wanted to learn Rwanda, but I found that people wanted to learn that, and I have started a separate thing to teach Rwanda, which is another company that I'm starting apart from the other one I have. So since then, I have uploaded videos randomly. The only time I worked very hard on YouTube was in 2019, but today I have been feeling like there is something that is swelling in me, something that I want to take out, and I want to do that through videos. And the video that encouraged me to make this one was Ali Abdal's videos, where he talks about how to start a YouTube channel, where he says there are 2 ways. There is business first approach and creator first approach, and I want to go with creator first approach. I want just to make videos and on topics I enjoy, things I enjoy talking about, and then later maybe it might become a business, YouTube business, but for now it's just mainly about creating content. I want to take something out. I want to be able to speak. I want to feel free when I see someone watching something I made and then say, okay, I want to see what this person has to talk about. So I have been thinking about, if I want to make this video, what do I talk about? And I got so many ideas. I asked my community on WhatsApp and others, what should I talk about? I've got so many ideas. Which are the videos I will start with? The questions that people ask me. What's the day in life of an entrepreneur? What are there different things? So we just talk about those things when I start making these videos. And this video that I'm making now, I didn't want to use any script, because I felt like if I said I'm going to make a script, I'm going again to procrastinate, and it might take me a long time before I decide to make that script. So that is why I said, okay, let me just make a video. I don't need to include any formalities, just talk about what I want to talk about and put the video out and see what you think about it. If you like the video, just let me know, hit the like button. If you think you want to learn more about what I will be posting about, click on subscribe button, and we'll be being together. So a little bit about me in my daily life. I'm an IT guy. I'm a support engineer. I work for Microsoft, and then I'm also an entrepreneur. I have a tech company that provides trainings in digital skills here in Rwanda. And apart from that, I'm a content creator. I have a newsletter on LinkedIn. You can check it out. Another business I'm starting. I talked about it a little bit, where we are teaching people how to speak Kinyarwanda, lead and write Kinyarwanda. So those are different things I'm doing. I have so many things I do. I wanted to sing sometime. I wrote some songs but didn't take them out. I have wanted to act. I went to the casting and I did not succeed, and then I didn't do that. I had so many things I tried, but one thing that keeps coming back to me is whenever I want to create content, one thing that comes very fast to me out of my head is personal development. I have developed a lot since 2018. That's when I started watching personal development videos. 2017, 2018, kind of. So in those years, I was very timid. I was not someone who speaks a lot. Today, I don't speak a lot, but it has changed from how I was then. I was always quiet. I didn't know what was going on. But over time, as I learned personal development, as I tried to develop myself, I've become someone new, someone who can communicate now, someone who can speak in public, someone who can deliver speeches, someone who can lead. And I see a lot of change in myself. And I think that I'll be able to help some people if I share some of the tips that helped me, if I'm able to share some of the things that I learned over time, if I'm able to share some of the books I read. I don't read so many books, but I read some of the most important books. I watch podcasts and I learn a lot from people. If I share a bit about what I learned from entrepreneurship, I started my company Technica back in 2020. So I think I have a little bit of experience in entrepreneurship that I might be able to share with people starting businesses. There are so many things I can share. I create content since 2019, so I have learned also a bit about creating content, and I guess so many people will benefit from learning from what I have to say. And there are so many things that I will be able to share, and I think through these videos I'll be able to share all those things. I'll be able to say about different topics, to comment on different videos, different TikTok videos, YouTube videos, and the biggest part where I think I will get content is from your comments. People commenting on this video, telling me what they want to hear from me, and then the next video will be about that. The next video will be about that, and as I get more people asking questions, I'll get more content and get so many things. So I have a lot to share. I have a list of content I want to make, but it would be beneficial if someone watching this video was very interested enough to say, I need you to talk about this, and then the next time I talk about that, who knows? You never know what something can become when you start it. So this is not my first video on YouTube. I have made a lot of videos. Some of it I have even deleted them because I was very shy. I was afraid of what people might think if they looked at me saying that. So I deleted some of those videos because can I call it shy? Kind of. I was very shy. Didn't want people to see what I have to say, but now I cannot say I don't care. I care what people say. But now, whatever I say, I know it's not a bad thing. So you can watch it and say, okay, this person is insane, and that will not shake me because I know why I'm making this, and I know someone might watch the videos I'm going to be making and say, okay, this video is helping me, and as long as I know that, I'm going to keep making it. And yeah, so this is not my first video. This is like the first vlog. This is kind of vlog, right? So this is the first vlog, and I'll be making so many videos. This one does not have a script. Some videos might have scripts, but this one does not have it. And I hope you find value in watching my videos, because I'm going to start posting consistently, like once a week. You'll be getting a new video from me on my channel here, and you can follow me on LinkedIn, follow my newsletter, subscribe on it, and you'll also be getting posts there. I write there about business and my experience in business, workspace, and other things, also about personal development. And you might benefit also from visiting my website, ashiresonga.com, and I will share both links in the description so that you can check it out. But in general, I want to make these videos because I feel like I have something to share and something that would be useful to the community that is out there, useful to people who watch YouTube, useful to people who want to develop themselves, people who want to grow, people who want to start businesses, people who want to improve their careers. And so I'm not inventing anything, it's just sharing the things I've learned from other people, things I learned from reading, things I see other people say, or you hear other people say. I will not be inventing anything, it's just sharing what I have, what I know, and what I see. So I hope you get value in my videos, and I will be looking forward to your comments, your feedbacks. If there's anything you need me to talk about, anything you want to hear from me, I'll be looking forward to that. Just put it in comments, share it to your friends, and they can also ask their questions, and I will make sure to answer as many questions as I can. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.